We all have a purpose, a unique gift that we are meant to share, and we all are deserving to live an extraordinary life. But we have to remember, we do that by loving ourselves first. Namaste, friends. I'm Nikki, and I'm super stoked to announce that the month of February, I'll be hosting a 28-day challenge to help you bring yoga into your everyday life. Each day, you'll receive a technique to bring you back to balance so that you can operate at your highest potential. It's called 28 Days of Namastes, and it's completely free. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Both are Nikki and KKI_NEE, Knee. And you'll leave with a clear-cut morning routine to start your day off right. Tips to continue being mindful throughout your day, and advice on how to get to bed so that you can have the most nourishing rest, waking up energized and ready to seize the day. So go ahead and join me on this journey of 28 days of Namastes. I'll see you Friday.